Hello students, in this video we will learning our new point number in between rational numbers. Let's find the numbers in between 2 and 9. Write all the natural numbers between 2 and 9. So which numbers comes between 2 and 9? So it is very simple. Which numbers comes to between 2 and 9? So it is what? It is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these numbers are comes between 2 and 9. So it is a natural numbers. Now write all the integers between -4 and 5. So which numbers comes between -4 and 5? So it is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these numbers are between -4 and 5. These are the integers. Okay, now let's find which rational numbers are there between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4. So which numbers comes? So रॅशनल नंबर्स फाइंड करण्यासाठी आपण काय करणार, जर डिनॉमिनेटर सेम असेल तर वी कॅन फाइंड दी नंबर इझिली. सपोज इट इज 2 upon 7 and 8 upon 7. Now find the between numbers 2 upon 7 and 8 upon 7. So it is very simple. You can finding this number by easily. It is 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 7 upon 7 and 8 upon 7. Okay, we can find the number easily. Okay, but that's why we will multiplying this number by 1 by 2 by multiplying by 4 and 3 by 4 multiplying by 2. ओके, आपण इथं 4 1 by 2 ला मल्टिप्लाय केलं आणि 3 by 4 ला 2 मल्टिप्लाय केलं. सो इट इज व्हॉट 4 upon 8 and it is 6 upon 8. So which numbers comes between? It is 4 upon 8 is 6 upon 8. So it means what? It is 5 upon 8. So it is very simple. It is countable number. But if we have many numbers, so what will we do? Suppose let's 4 multiplied by 10 upon 8 multiplied by 10. Now 6 multiplied by 10 and 8 multiplied by 10. So it is what? It is 40, it is 80, it is 60, it is 80. So which numbers comes between 40 upon 80 and 60 upon 80? So it is 41 upon 80, 42 upon 80, so up to 59 upon 80. So it is also a countable number. Suppose we increase this number by, we multiply both number by 100. So what will we do? So it is 400, it is 800, it is 600 and it is 800. So which numbers come? It is 401, it is 800, it is 402, 800. So that so on. It is the fractional, the rational numbers. So it is the uncountable numbers will be coming. तर आपण असं करून the rational numbers काढू शकतो. Okay, hope you understand. Now we will solving practice set 23. The practice set 23. Write 3 rational numbers that lie between the two given numbers. Write 3 rational numbers. So we will finding 3 rational numbers lie between the two given numbers. So we will finding consecutive number lie between two given numbers. So first question is 2 upon 7 comma 6 upon 7. So it is very simple because the denominator of both sides are equal. So you can writing this number and you will finding this number easily. So which numbers comes after 2 by 3? It is 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7. So we get 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3 numbers. Okay, so we will finding 3 numbers. It means what? 1, 2, 3 number. It is very simple exercise. Now let's find the number 2. 4 upon 5 comma 2 upon 3. Look at here, the denominator of both sides are different, so we will multiplying 4 by 5 by 3 and 2 by 3 by 5. So it is 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, it is 10, and it is what? 15. Look at here, it has 12, it has 10, so it means what? 12 is bigger than 10. So we will arranging this number like that: 10 upon 15 comma 12 upon 15. So now we will finding 3 rational numbers, but here comes only one number, it is 1 upon 15. So this is not our answer. So we will multiplying 12 upon 15 and 10 upon 15 by, you can multiplying by any number like 12 by 3, 4, 10, 100, 15, एनिथिंग यू कॅन मल्टिप्लाइंग. आणि एक लक्षात ठेवा, जे बुकचं आन्सर आहे आणि याचं आन्सर आहे ते सेम येणार नाही. ओके, जर आपण बुकमध्ये जर 2 न मल्टिप्लाय केलेलं असेल तर सेम आन्सर येईल, जर आपण इथं 3 न मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर आन्सर चेंज होईल. ओके, सो होप यू अंडरस्टँड. सपोज वी इफ वी मल्टिप्लाइड 12 by 2 and both sides also by 2, so we get what? 12 2s are 24, it is 30, and it is 20, and it is what? 30. Now we will arranging this number 20 by 30 and 20 by 30. So we get 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. Okay, we get 3 numbers, but you can multiplying this number by using any number. You can multiplying by 3, 10, 15, 100, 1000, anything. Okay, hope you understand. Now we will solving example number 8. 0 minus 3 upon 4. Now tell me which number is bigger, 0 or minus 3 by 4. So 0 is greater than minus 3 by 4. So we will arranging this number minus 3 by 4 and here 0. Now you can write here minus 2 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. So we get only 2 numbers. So we will multiplying both sides minus 3 by 4 and 0 by, we will multiplying by here 2, here also 2, and we take here denominator also, so we will 4 by 2. So it is minus 6 upon 8, it is 0 upon 8. So we get same denominator, so we get minus 5 upon 8, minus 4 upon 8, minus 3 upon 8, minus 2 upon 8, and minus 1 upon 8. So we get the 3 rational numbers. Hope you understand how to solve this exercise. Now example 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are homework for you. Complete this homework and send on our WhatsApp group. Now as well as this is also homework for you. Complete this homework and send on our WhatsApp group. Now we will stop here. Thank you.